Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Now, Newcraftday has a spectacular website. It's very organized. Their customer service is brilliant. Their shipping is very quick, and their products are amazing. Now, Newcraftday don't only sell our favorite cross stitches, they're selling embroidery, which I'm going to show you today. They sell our cross stitch, they sell beaded cross stitch, they do diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and all the tools and accessories that goes with that. They also customize those products. Now at Newcraftday, if you order over $59, you get free shipping. They even sell tattoo stickers, the weaving series, epoxy molds, the fire paint seal series, the scrapbook series, and so much more. Go and have a look. You're gonna find something you love. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at Newcraftday, you just type in Rella10 for extra 10% off. Isn't that fantastic? Really, really amazing, right? Now, that is not all. If you buy 5 products, you get 1 free. So add 6 items to your cart. The more you buy, the more you will get free. It will automatically go off in your cart. You can go and have a look. Now that I talked about this spectacular store with a good customer service for shipping and great products, let's see what I got here today. So let's start at the smaller one, then we're going over to the bigger one. Alright, look at that. So another training embroidery one. I like these, then I can practice my stitches. Okay, so let's have a look. So it came in a clear plastic bag. I like to put them back. These are nice. They keep them together. There's all the thingies. Let's see. Let's just organize everything. Okay, let's start at the pattern. So this is basically the stitches. They teach you the stitches. And I just want to see here. Alright, so there it is. And then they teach you stitches inside the rest of the stitches. All the stitches you need is on the pattern, and around here they tell you which stitch to use and how many threads. Now let me see here, because I am yep, the basket, the weaving stitch is very cool that they show on this one. They don't show them on all of these, so I have taught you most of them. Not the weaving stitch yet. Let me see. Basket weave, I haven't showed you yet. Lazy daisy, I have showed you, but not on I showed you on cardboard. So I will do this as well. Very easy, very easy. If you want to practice your stitches, these are very cool to have. Now with it you get a nice beautiful plastic hoop. I like these hoops because they've got the groove. I don't know how to explain it in English, but they've got the groove in it, and that groove fits into this pathway there. So it makes your stitches extremely tight. I love it more than the bamboo hoops. They're very nice. They really pull your things together more than a bamboo hoop. I'm not packing away. I want to take pictures. Go and look at Newcraftday's Facebook page. They're very efficient. The Facebook page is very busy. You can see a lot of people unboxing stuff if you want to see products. Now with this you get your seam ripper. By this time you all know how to use this seam ripper. Be careful, they're very sharp. You get a little threader, needle threader, and you get your needles. So there is 2 embroidery needles. I want to see these needles. Oh, it's the nice ones. It's the nice ones. Yay! It's the big embroidery needles. Very sharp with a big long hole on the top. So I like these because then you can put a few threads through them. Look at these colors. Oh my soul. So you get your cloth you're working on and it's printed. This print does wash out. The black will not wash out. It's the header for your stitch. So the blue part will wash out. I love this. You know, when I was younger, much younger, we didn't get printed like that. So we had to trace stuff on it. We normally trace stuff on. Now it's easy. You get it printed. How technology works, right? Now here's the beautiful colors, and there is 5 of them. Look at that. I think it's an amazing little cute stitch. Get it if you want to practice your stitches. I love it. Alright, so look at that. Remember a while ago I also opened one, but a blue one for Newcraftday. It's available on my last unboxing. You can go and look. There was 2 videos. The first one, I unboxed the blue butterfly. Now they're stocking the pink one as well. So I don't want this bag. It's that's why I grabbed the new bag. Just give me a second. Alright, so let's have a look. Now I love these. They come with a frame. Oh, there is metallic thread. Alright, so let's start with this. So you get a frame already for your finished product. You can stand it like that, or you can hang it. There is the little hang thingy, and you can move it to where you want. That thing moves. If you open it, you can move it, slide it to where you need it to be, right? Very nice. And the perspex in front's got a film over. You just pull it over when you're ready to hang it. Amazing. Not packing away. Need to take pictures. I must remember this. I did show you the hoop. This is a bit smaller hoop, which I love. It's big enough to make your butterfly hoop. The previous one's hoop, look, it is bigger. Look. So this is the previous hoop. This one is a bit smaller. I like that they give the size you actually need. Adorable. Let's see what we got. Ooh, this one has got other things in, and it's gonna look fantastic. All right. Unpack some stuff here. What's this? That's just a guarantee. Oh, look at this beautiful colors, man. Oh, this product is amazing. Newcraftday, it's amazing. You get a few of these. I think they will stock all of them. If you guys get these, they will stock all of them. Alright, so needle painting. Here is our little instruction leaflet. So it tells you exactly what stitches to use, where, and what rhinestones to put where, and what sequins to put where. And this one says adore. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, my light's not friendly. I love it. I absolutely adore this. Just put it aside. Let's have a look at the cloth. Oh, it's fluffy. Very nice. And there's your pattern. It says adore. Love is a kind of chance encounter. And one submits filling or corresponding for it. I don't really know. I must go and figure out what's written there. But there it is. Fantastic, right? I absolutely adore it. Very, very beautiful. All right. So here is the threads, and there we go. 4 beautiful colors, and my light does not want to. There you go. Very, very pretty. And let's have a look at all the goodies we got to make it with. This is nice. Right, so you got your beading thread nicely on a card. We got our metal thread. We got a thingy. We use this in gold embroidery, gold work. So this you use in gold work as well. What's it called again? They say it's wire, but there's a specific other name for this, but it's gold wire. But you do use this in embroidery gold work. Ooh! More metal thread red. Nice. Then we got our pearly beads. Oh, my camera is... let me try and do this. Oh, there you can see. Then we've got little gold beads, gold seed beads. Then look at this, guys, sequins, but there is pink and gold. No, sorry guys, my little kitten decided to get into one of the bags. No, what you doing? Alright, then we've got this nice sparkly, it looks like diamonds. Very pretty. This is going to look amazing. I just want to put these in a bag because I don't want to... You can see my co-host is back, so I don't want her to grab any of this. I will not be happy. Then, oh no, come on. He's being naughty, guys. Right, now I must be very, very careful. Because there is beads in here. And if I lose them, it's going to be a mess. Just hold on. Just trying to take the bigger pieces out so you can see without me losing the beads. I won't be happy if that happens. Alright, so we got a lot of little red beads here, seed beads. Can you see there? Then we've got a very long beading needle, very thin. You will only fit one thread in here. There it is, it's so thin. Then we got a nice thick beading needle and it's sharp. And then we got a sewing needle that you can use as well, but it's, there you go. So it depends on which needle is comfortable for you. So it's 3 needles. Then you got gems. A big yellow one, a big teardrop diamondy one, and then a round rose gold one. Now this is a fabulous, fabulous kit. I will do the blue or pink one with you guys. But you guys know, if you watch the embroidery, we're still learning, and then we will do a normal one, and then we'll go over to bead it like this. So step by step. Now please let me know what you think of these products. I think they are superb. Thank you, Newcraftday. I absolutely adore them. Then I want to thank you, my viewer, my dear Stitcher family, for always watching and supporting me. It really means the world to me. I love you guys. Till next time, Stitcha-Rella.